In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sheet activity history in Smartsheet. Being able to see who changed what and when is really important when you're collaborating with a team. Smartsheet makes this easy with its activity log, which shows a history of what's been happening on your sheet. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to access that activity history so you can quickly review updates, troubleshoot issues, or simply keep track of changes over time. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have the sheet you're interested in open. You can do this from your Home tab or from any folder or workspace where the sheet is stored. Once the sheet is open, you should be in the main grid, card, Gantt, or calendar view. It doesn't matter which of these views you're using, the option we need will be in the same place. At the top left of the Smartsheet window, look for the menu labeled File. This is part of the main toolbar that runs across the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on File. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to the sheet, such as Properties, Printing, and other actions. From that drop-down, look for the option that says View Activity Log. It usually appears alongside other sheet-level commands. Click on View Activity Log to open the activity history for your current sheet. After you select it, a panel or window will open showing a detailed list of actions that have taken place on this sheet. Here, you'll be able to see which user made a change, what kind of change it was, and when it happened. Depending on your permissions, you might also be able to filter this information by date range, user, or type of activity, helping you narrow down exactly what you need to review. This is especially helpful if something in your sheet doesn't look right and you want to trace it back to a specific edit, or if you simply want to audit recent updates from your team. Remember, access to activity history can depend on your role and permissions on the sheet. So if you don't see the option, you may need to ask an administrator or the sheet owner for the appropriate access. And that's all there is to it. By opening the